Hey everyone, today I'm walking you through our latest release, the HelpDesk. We've already shown how AI agents can handle thousands of conversations all at one place. But the question is, what happens if they get asked like a sensitive question about billing, for example, that you would rather a human handles? Or if they straight up ask for a human to talk to? This is where our HelpDesk comes in. Let's look at an example. Here's a customer asking about a refund on their subscription. We've given AI agent instructions to escalate anything billing related straight to a human. So watch what happens. It hands the conversation off, and just like that, a ticket shows up for your team to pick up, and this is how our HelpDesk operates. Instead of juggling like manual processes or bolting on a separate tool just to track who needs like a human, everything lives right here. Take the inbox, for example. Each team member can see which tickets are exactly assigned to them. And behind the scenes, we support workflows and automations to work around your team shifts and schedules so nothing falls through the cracks. Now, let's actually open a ticket. Your team member would be able to see the full context of the issue right away. So for example, right here, they can see a quick summary of what the customer actually needs, the full conversation history with the AI, including every question that was asked, plus the customer's history, all in one place. And from there, updating the ticket is very easily. You can update the ticket status, you can draft a reply with AI, or you can leave an internal note for the team. And honestly, here's my favorite part. Once you're done, whether it's a ticket or a live chat, you can hand the conversation right back to the AI agent and let it take over again, so you wouldn't have to stress about it. Zooming out, this view shows every ticket for your whole team. You can also check all the unassigned tickets just in case anything slipped past your automations, or check out that everything's already been closed. And then there's conversations. And this is where you see every chat your AI agent has had across every channel. I want you to think of Instagram, the chat widget, email, the messenger. Anywhere, you will be able to see it all in one place and it would all show up. You can even see the overall sentiment of each conversation and filter by it to zero in on what actually matters to you. And when you want to see the big picture, our HelpDesk Analytics dashboard gives you a quick glance at tickets created, tickets solved, and what's trending over time. And it's also a great way for you to spot patterns and gaps in your support, like your median response rate or time to respond. So yeah, that's our HelpDesk, your AI agents and your team working together all in one place so nothing gets missed out and no customer gets left behind. If you want to see how it fits in your own support setup, we'd love to show you around.